Good. You look very nice, very handsome. Good. Please tell me about yourself.
Uh, Sir, my name is Somyajit Panda. I am from Birija Khetra, Jajpur. I have completed my graduation from Prananath Autonomous College in Chemistry Honours. Currently, I am pursuing my MBA from Biju Patnaik Institute of IT and Management Studies. I have taken finance and marketing as my specialization, and I have worked in SBI for 1 year. Along with that, I have done internship in HDFC Bank as sales and marketing intern for 2 months, where I was handling different clients and selling different strategies to clients. Apart from that, in my spare times, I like to paint, edit videos, and play chess.
You said you worked in State Bank of India for 1 year.
Yes, sir.
In what capacity?
Sir, I have given that SBI apprentice exam and has
Uh,
been
yeah,
and it
samajh gaya.
was not a
Uh,
proper employment and it's just
yeah,
a training program.
correct. Good, good, good. What did you learn while working in State Bank of India?
Yes, sir. I was actually handling different types of customers that coming to the bank, helping them to fill the RTGS NEFT form and also doing the ENO registration and uh, and also, sir, I have to cold call the different customers for selling of the uh, loan product like education loan and home loan, etc.
How many cases you would have succeeded out of giving cold calls? What is the percentage of success?
Sir, most of the calls were basically were unanswered, and those who have answered, I could manage to convert 80% of them into buying some education loan or home loans.
Excellent, excellent. That's really good. Now imagine I am sitting at the other end. You are going to talk to me over phone. How will you canvass education loan?
Uh, sir, uh, sir, you are a student or
Yeah,
parents?
automatically. I imagine I am a student. Or you can
Yeah.
take me as parent of a student also. No problem. JCB, please talk to
So,
me.
good evening, sir. I am Somyajit.
Good evening. Who
सर
is
हिंदी
speaking?
में बोल सकते हैं इसे?
Yeah, no problem. You can speak in Hindi also. बोलिए. No, but are you comfortable in English?
सर
Uh,
नमस्कार सर.
Are you comfortable
Yes,
in
sir. I'm
English?
comfortable in.
English.
Yes,
Then
sir.
please talk in English because Federal Bank they like English more than Hindi.
Yes, sir.
Yeah,
Sure, sir.
tell me.
Okay. Good evening, sir. I am Somyajit Panda and I am from ABC company, ABC Bank. So, as you know, that education has become a very integral part of our society. And you may have some children that are going to either going to the schools or colleges, and after certain years they are going to have some higher studies. They have to go some higher studies for to enhance their skills. So, what we are offering is like you can get a very decent amount of loan in the form of education, and I must assure that the interest rate is going to be very less as compared to the other banks. So if you can say me your requirement, then I can say you what is the best education loan that you can afford. So can I know your
Yeah,
requirement?
yeah. No, this is okay. What you told was not wrong. Instead, you should talk this way. Sir, good morning. I am speaking from XYZ Bank. I understand you are on the lookout of getting a loan for your son's education engineering. So we are offering this loan because you will not be talking to somebody without knowing whether he has got a son or not, whether he is approaching for education or not.
Yes, sir.
ऐसा भी
Yes,
करते हैं
sir.
ना ऐसा भी करते हैं ना
यस
क्या?
सर, यस सर, हाँ हाँ
Are you
सर,
doing
एक्चुअली उनको, सर
the
उनको रिक्वायरमेंट कुछ अलग होता है, उन बोलते कुछ और है इसीलिए.
no, my point is, were you calling some people without knowing that whether they are interested or not? ऐसा भी होता है ना क्या?
No, sir. I have the list. We have certain leads from the different sources, that which customers are requiring education loan, which customer requires a home loan. That's the thing,
Yeah.
sir.
See, normally how we do that, when we search in the Google, some companies will collect details and they will give you those details for
Yes,
so you should start imagining he is having a son or a daughter going for MBBS or engineering. ऐसा सोच के बात करना है पॉजिटिव और एक बार ट्राई
yes, sir.
करेंगे ट्राई करो.
Uh, So good morning, sir. I am Somyajit and I am from ABC Bank. So as you know that education is really important for children's education, and if I know what kind of education, what is the requirement for your education? So sir,
So एक
I could
mistake
not on.
mistake you are not starting well. Why do you have to tell me education is more important and all? वो तो जरूरत नहीं. आपका काम selling loan. आपने क्या करेंगे? Good morning, sir. I'm speaking from ABC Bank. I understand you are looking for education loan for your son's degree.
अच्छा,
So
Okay,
ऐसा बोलना है. ठीक है? प्रैक्टिस कर लो, घर में प्रैक्टिस कर लो. खाली एजुकेशन लोन अलोन नहीं है, होम लोन वगैरह वगैरह प्रैक्टिस करके बोलना है, पॉजिटिवली बोलना है. ठीक है?
सर थोड़ा
प्लीज.
एक डेमो दे दीजिए थोड़ा उसका.
Yeah. Good morning, sir. I'm speaking from ABC Bank. I understand you're interested in availing um, education loan for your son's education. Please tell me which college is he studying, and can you please fill in our form which I'm sending you through email. Please fill up the form giving all particulars so that after analyzing that we will tell you. And our bank interest rate is the cheapest, and we allow you 2 years time after the completion of degree for making payment. Like that you should tell the plus points of that scheme. समझ गए?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I understood.
Very good. Now what do you know about फेडरल बैंक? फेडरल बैंक का बारे में आपको क्या क्या बढ़िया अच्छा
Yes, sir.
पॉइंट्स जानते हैं, बताइए.
Sir, Federal Bank is one of the most oldest bank which was established in 1931, headquartered in Aluva, Kerala, and the prominent person includes Mr. Syama Srinivasan, who is the current CEO and MD, and the bank has more than 10 million customers. Along with that, it has 1331 branches all over across India, along with 1600 plus ATMs. Talking about the Quarter 2 results, the bank has received 1,89,000 crore deposits, and the total lending that has given is 1,69,000 crores. The net profit is 706 crore, and also there is the CASA deposits.
704 crore.
Yes, sir, 704 crores.
आपने if you had told me around 700 crore सही होता है,
Yes,
ये
sir.
about 700
Yes,
crore में सही होता है. Yeah, good, not bad. You are preparing it correctly, but थोड़ा और भी पक्का करना है. आपने नंबर ऑफ एटीएम्स बोला, गलत बोला, कोई बात नहीं, आई एम नॉट क्वेश्चनिंग इट. फिर भी
yes, sir.
उसको थोड़ा पक्का करके जाइएगा, आपको सुविधा होगा. ठीक है?
Sure, sir.
Good, good, very good. Can you tell me what are the problems banks are facing nowadays?
Sir, most of the banks are facing bad debts. Like they are not checking the credibility of a customer before disbursing the loan. So, and most of the times, bank personals are involved. So, if that process, we can make that process transparent with the use of technology that Federal Bank has been doing. So, we can remove that problem, sir.
और भी बोल सकते हैं ना. Banks are now
Yes,
facing number one competition among themselves and also with the NBFCs.
NBFC, yes, sir.
Then banks are having problems in say technological upgradation. where
Mm.
the customers are not fully updated, or the staff members are also to be trained. Don't say they are not good. They are to be trained.
Yeah.
Then NPA is another big problem that banks are facing. Something like that. थोड़ा Google में जाके
Mix
सर्च
कर
करके find out करके बोल दीजिएगा. ठीक है? Good.
ठीक
You
है.
told this question nicely. फिर भी now please tell me something about priority sector advances.
Priority sector advance. Sir, I'm not aware of that thing.
तो पढ़ना पड़ेगा ना. Okay, कोई बात नहीं. Now about what have you studied? Tell me. Please tell me what are the sources of income for banks.
Sir, there are various sources through which bank generate profit. First one is the interest from the loan that has been given, and also the different uh, uh, s- uh, different charges or fees collecting from the settlement of the transaction like RTGS, NEFT, and also bank on revenue from different advisory services and locker fees and bank insurance and also selling mutual funds. So these are the different fund sources that the bank actually using to generate profit.
You should also add that banks invest funds in government
Yes, sir.
securities and
Yes, sir.
shares. So they get interest and dividends from them.
And
ये
from
भी
that,
ये भी बताना है. Good. You told this nicely. You are from Odisha.
finance. Yes, sir. Odisha.
Odisha. ओडिशा का बारे में कुछ बताइए. बढ़िया पॉइंट्स बताइए. बढ़िया 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 पॉइंट्स. Excellent.
Sir, Odisha is one of the cultural heritage place in India, which has the one of the foremost temple like Jagannath Temple, who is the home to Lord Jagannath, and many industrial sectors consist has been established here, also, which are some of them are Tata Steels and Jindal Steels. Also, we have been the top producers in case of different handicrafts, and also most of the peoples are agricultural based, and the country is economically, so the state is economically proficient to manage its all operation.
Not bad. Please tell me how Reserve Bank is managing inflation.
Sir, Reserve Bank is actually managing the inflation with the use of monetary policy. So that's the policy. Actually, this it's a committee consists of RBI governor and some 2 to 3 members. They generally do the meeting in a quarterly basis, and
No,
and on the
every 2 months.
every 2 months. Yes, sir. Every 2 months, and on that basis, so they control the money and supply of money in the market to maintain the liquidity and to have a better control of all the money market.
Tell us about your family.
Yes, sir. I belong to a traditional family. My family consists of 4 members. Me, my elder sister, my father, and my mother. My father is a teacher who is currently is a headmaster in a particular school, and my mother is a homemaker.
Particular school mat bolo. He is a headmaster
Yes, sir.
in government school in this place.
Government school.
Mm.
Yes,
Or
yes,
if
sir.
you can tell the name of the school also, nothing wrong. Nothing wrong in that. Then only it will come fully. What is your sister doing?
Sir, my sister actually was at basically he has completed his her on postgraduate. Then he has married and been settled outside.
He nahi, she bolna hai.
See.
What is your brother-in-law doing?
Yes, sir, my brother-in-law is actually a relationship manager in RBL Bank.
See what? तब तो बहुत कुछ आप सीखना पड़ेगा उनसे.
Yes,
हाँ?
I was actually, all that information actually I am getting from them, getting from him, and he was the guider and supporter for me
Good.
to apply for the federal bank.
Very good. RBL Bank का headquarters किधर है? Who is the chairman of that? What is the total deposit of that? What work your brother-in-law is doing? ये सब prepare करना है.
Yes, sir. I was
Yeah.
not aware about the deposits and
उनसे
all
पूछ
the
लीजिए, उनसे पूछ
ठीक
लीजिए
है ठीक
उनका टोटल डिपॉजिट क्या है, टोटल एडवांस क्या है, उनका टोटल नंबर ऑफ ब्रांचेस क्या है, who is the chairman of that this thing, where is the headquarters, something like that. ये सब सीख लीजिए उनसे. Good,
yes sir yes.
very good. Then it will be easy. If you answer that confidently, they will be very happy. Next question, what are your hobbies?
So my hobby is to play chess and do some video editing and painting.
Acha, you do video editing also?
Yes, I in my previous organization I have made some videos that and published in the YouTube sir.
Acha, which organization you worked?
Sir, in my graduation, the Prananath Autonomous College, in which I have done the graduation.
Good. I think in State Bank of India, they never allowed you to operate on computer, no?
No,
They
sir.
will,
No,
no
sir.
problem. Yeah, no problem. What is NPA and how it is impacting banks?
Sir, the full form of NPA is non-performing assets. Actually, these are the lendings or the loans that has been defaulted over 90 days, and the NPA is actually affecting the bank's profitability as the bank could not recover the loan that has been given to the customers.
Super,
So,
sufficient. ये ऐसा prepare कर दीजिए. Next question. Do you invest in shares?
sir, I'll prefer mutual fund rather than shares because mutual fund offer you professionalism and you can also diversify your portfolio instead of investing in a single stock.
Are you investing in mutual funds?
Yes, sir.
Acha, good. Now, what is the current share price of Federal Bank?
135 to 1. It has actually decreased. I don't know, but I think it's between 130 to 135.
1 minute. कम हो गया?
130 to 135. Yeah, it's a decrease, sir, in recent days. Yesterday it has decreased, but I
One
don't know the figure.
133.40.
Yes, sir. 130 to 135, which fluctuating between this range.
Yeah, 130, 132 to 35, something like that you can say. No problem. Good. And then they ask this question, what is the market capitalization? उसको भी prepare कर दीजिए. I don't know the answer, but आप prepare करना है.
Uh, sir, I have
Market,
actually you have told me that things in a video. I just forgot. I think it's 1,06,000 crore. I don't know. Sorry,
1,69,000, that is advances.
sir. 4,60,000. I think. I don't know the
No,
exact.
no, 1 minute. Let me search because that figure I am not able to
Hmm.
read. इतना बड़ा आता है.
So I have that quarter two result that you have given in the group.
Market caps दिया है जी. 281.58 billion.
Billion. Yes, sir.
281.58 billion.
Yes, sir.
Okay, good. Next question for you. These are all the questions they have asked 2 days back.
Yes, sir.
What do you mean by systematic investment plan?
Sorry, sir. I have no idea about that.
पढ़ लीजिए because I think it is like investing same amount every month like that. It is coming under mutual funds.
Then can you ask the question again?
What do you mean by systematic investment plan?
Okay, sir.
1 minute. Systematic investment plan, India. If we put like that, SIP facility allows an investor to invest a fixed amount, like recurring deposit, fixed amount of money at predefined intervals in the selected mutual fund schemes. The fixed amount of money can be as low as rupees 500, while the predefined SIP intervals can be weekly or monthly or quarterly और सेमी एनुअली और एनुअल बेसिस इसको प्रिपेयर करना है। आप गूगल में जाके इंडिया सिस्टमैटिक इन्वेस्टमेंट प्लान
Yes, sir.
करके सर्च कर दीजिए, आपको मिल जाएगा। एक क्वेश्चन ये फाइनेंस स्टूडेंट को पूछा था, उनको सिलेक्शन हो गया मैसूरू में।
अच्छा, अच्छा.
या
Okay, sir. I'll do that.
या हाउ मेनी लैंग्वेजेस डू यू नो?
Sir, I know Odia, English, and Hindi.
अच्छा, गुड, यू नो ओडिया आल्सो?
Yes, sir. I'm from Odisha, so I'll obviously know Odia.
अच्छा, you are an employee of a bank,
Yes, sir.
and let us say it is the month end. You have a target of 1 lakh remaining. You have to canvas 1 lakh remaining for your insurance products. And a consumer enters who wants to invest in savings deposit. How are you going to convince him? And if he does not get convinced, how is it going to impact you? But this is a real life situation question they have asked. That is, you have on the one hand, you want to cover 1 lakh premium, not premium or amount, policy amount, I don't know. It can be
Hmm.
policy amount also. You have to achieve that. On the other hand, this man is coming for SB account. So the suggestion for that will be, I will convince him to open the SB account and if possible, invest it for buying an insurance product. Okay. And if he is not interested, I will request him to give a reference of some other people who may be interested so that I will see that I get it done. And if that is also not coming out, I will try to exploit other sources through which I can reach the target early. ऐसा पूछेगा. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Next question. These are the questions. You don't have to answer me. Be ready and you can current affairs on digital rupee, Adani NDTV acquisition. Are you ready
Mhm.
to relocate as it is a pan-India location? That's all. ये सबको प्रिपेयर कर दीजिए आपको. You are doing very well. अच्छा करते हैं आप. और भी कॉन्फिडेंस से जाइए, आपको जरूर सक्सेस हो जाना चाहिए.
Yes, sir. Sir, actually, I was done internship in insurance. HDFC are selling the different insurance. So, are there questions coming from insurance?
Yeah, they will ask you what is the name of the insurance, IRDA. Who is the chairman of IRDA? Debasish Panda.
The
What are the
basis.
functions? Yesterday there is a news in newspapers regarding insurance. Government says it is sufficient you give one license for them to do all insurance products. I saw it in Economic Business Standard.
Yes, sir.
Government says there is only one license will do for doing life insurance, general insurance, medical insurance, etc. So some such news is there about that. Recent news about insurance. You please know recent news about State Bank
Recent
of
news.
India. State Bank of India,
Hmm.
you know, and also their apps and all that. Prepare kar dijiye. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Best wishes. You did well. Thank you so much.
So what is my communication level? Should I improve or should I is there any requirement modulation, voice modulation?
You are doing very well. You are doing well. No problem. Smile कर दो.
Yes, sir.
Smile करो. जरूर हो जाएगा. You will succeed.
Thank,
Best wishes.
thank you,
Best
sir.
wishes. Go with confidence.
Yes,
ठीक
sir.
है?
I'll do that. Yes, sir.
You are knowing. But थोड़ा finance उतना पूरा
Sir.
because दूसरा कैंडिडेट भी हमको आया था सुबह. उनको भी फाइनेंस में कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है. मार्केटिंग के बारे में कुछ बोलता है लेकिन फाइनेंस में कुछ भी कॉन्फिडेंट नहीं है. ऐसा नहीं होना चाहिए. थोड़ा फाइनेंस में आपको आई हैव गिवन ऑल द क्वेश्चंस. आपने देखा
Yes,
नहीं
sir.
देखा? कॉमर्स रिलेटेड क्वेश्चंस.
हाँ सर मैंने देखा है सर. Yes, sir.
That is trial balance, balance sheet, profit and loss account, gross profit ratio, net profit ratio, debt service coverage ratio, current ratio, then debt equity ratio, ऐसा में पे बहुत कुछ है, सब कुछ को पढ़ना है. What is working capital? What is term loan? What is guarantee? Then what is goodwill? What is depreciation? ये सबको prepare कर दो. Best wishes.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Bye bye. Go and attend with confidence. Send me the list of questions they are asking.
Yes, sir. I'm going to send the list of questions after I attend the interview.
Thank you.